Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, karibu sana, and don't forget to subscribe to join the family right now. Just hit that subscribe button. It's a red button over here or here, I don't know where. So guys, just hit that button, and guys, don't forget to click the notification bell so that every time I post a video, you'll be the first one to know, to be notified. So join this family and you'll never regret it. So guys, I'm very sorry for ranting. Guys, today I want to say it's a very different video. I've never done a video like this, you guys. So I decided to do a kitchen tour, not a house tour, a kitchen tour. And mind you guys, please don't think I have a big kitchen. I have a very minimal kitchen, so expect that. And a disclaimer, there is some utensils, dirty utensils on my sink, so don't judge me. It's only this, so don't judge me. Yeah, it had to happen. Thank you guys for always being here, for always watching my videos, for loving my videos. And if you are new to this channel, my name is Maureen. I do hairstyles videos, natural hairstyles. I do like lifestyle videos. Like right now, this is a lifestyle video because I'm doing a kitchen tour. I think it's a, correct me if I'm wrong. And also I do, okay, imagine I'm forgetting beauty. I do beauty like this. I'm going to do such a video on how I do my makeup because most of you guys have been requesting it, and your wish is my command, you guys. Like, look at this. Is this makeup a bomb or I'm just ranting? Just comment down below. Tell me if I'm looking good or not. Today I decided to do even my what do we call this? My eyeshadow. Can you see, guys? But I don't have my lashes. I wanted to put on lashes, but imagine the moment I want to put lashes, one was lost. I don't know where I misplaced it. Like, I decided I'm going to do this video. Like, it's a nude glam. As you can see, my lips, I've also done my lips, don't confuse it. Yeah, it's just a nude. And don't judge me, guys. I'm this short, so I'm trying to reach the camera, and my edges a little bit. So today I was lazy to do my hair. I decided to tie this turbine. Welcome to the channel. So let's get direct to the video.
Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose, but when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days searching for your praise, but is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me to learn your memories? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose can I get out? I'm out of time to make you mine. Baby, show me how. Will I slowly lose my mind? 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 This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days, searching for your praise. But is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me to learn your memories? Will I slowly lose my mind? 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 Lost in your maze, stuck in your gaze. How can I get out? I'm out of time to make you mine. Baby, show me how. Will I slowly lose my mind? 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 This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days, searching for your praise, but is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me to learn your memories? Will I slowly lose my mind?
So guys, that was all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please, if you loved the video, please give it a thumbs up. Like this video, okay? Take a moment and like the video. Comment down below. Tell me how you think about it. Tell me how small it is. Because for me, I think it's a small kitchen. So that was all. And if you haven't subscribed yet, and yes, you have reached at this end, can you please hit that red button and subscribe? It will help me a lot to support me. Please like the video, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.